With more than 29,000 cases of coronavirus in Michigan and more than 2,000 deaths, we wanted to check in with a local nurse who's been on the front lines in the emergency room. She was one of 5 nurses chosen from across the country to do an interview with Oprah Winfrey.
For decades, Danella James has been caring for the sick. First, as a fire department paramedic, and 18 years as an emergency room nurse. Now, in the middle of this pandemic, at Ascension St. John Hospital.
It can be emotionally as well as physically draining.
What's it been like for your work environment?
Well, it's just like when I spoke with Oprah last week, what we found is that within the past week and a half to 2 weeks, we saw a steady increase in the numbers.
Despite being surrounded by critically ill patients, she has no symptoms and has not been tested. Their temperatures are taken twice daily. If they have respiratory symptoms, they must report it, but still are required to report to work.
You all are like frontline warriors then. You are needed no matter what on that front line.
Well, if you think about it, there's the potential of being exposed anytime you're at work. And if you put everybody off, who would be there to provide care to the patients?
Her husband is her champion, giving her pep talks daily. But with the 12-year-old at home, she worries.
My fear is contracting the illness, not so much of myself being ill, but like I said in the past, of bringing it home to my family being ill, and I'm completely asymptomatic.
This native Detroiter is also concerned about the Black community and believes many may not fully grasp the alarming toll of this virus.
When you watch social media or when you're driving through the city and you see different areas, there's still a huge amount of people that are out and about and they're gathering.
Still, Danella stays upbeat, knowing the numbers are leveling off and a vaccine or medication will come at some point. And
I gotta stay positive. I got a 12-year-old I gotta see graduate, walk across the stage, so I have to stay positive.
Danella says, yes, we are on lockdown, and yes, you may feel isolated, but instead of feeling down, she encourages us all to take this time at home to reconnect with ourselves and take some time with your family.